dear students. Today we are going to start our English grammar class with chapter first, phrases and clauses. Dear students, in this class we will discuss about phrases and clauses. What is phrase, what is clause, kinds of phrases, kinds of clauses. All the things we will discuss in this chapter. Let's begin this chapter with phrases. Dear students, phrases means a phrase is a group of words within a sentence that does not contain a subject or a finite verb. Dear students, phrases का मतलब होता है सेंटेंस का एक ऐसा पार्ट जिसके अंदर ना तो सब्जेक्ट होता है और ना ही कोई फाइनाइट वर्ब होती है. फाइनाइट वर्ब का मतलब ऐसी वर्ब जो किसी टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट करती है, ना तो सब्जेक्ट हो और ना ही उसके अंदर कोई फाइनाइट वर्ब हो, तो वो हो जाएगा सेंटेंस का फ्रेज. A phrase does not express a complete idea and so cannot stand as a sentence. मीन्स जो फ्रेज जो होता है वो सेंटेंस जिस प्रकार से सेंटेंस पूरा मीनिंग आपको रिप्रेजेंट करता है, वैसे फ्रेज पूरा मीनिंग रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाता, इसलिए इसको सेंटेंस नहीं कहा जा सकता. जैसे कि एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, मदर इज मेकिंग टी फॉर द गेस्ट, then it is complete sentence, group of words making complete sentence, so it is known as a sentence. But if we talk about the for the guest, it doesn't have any subject and doesn't have any finite verb, so we can say that it is a phrase. In second sentence, the girl in the yellow dress is my sister. Complete this group of words is known as sentence because it gives complete sense. But if we talk about in the yellow dress, it is a phrase because it doesn't contain subject and doesn't have any finite verb. So we can say that a group of words but that doesn't have subject or a finite verb, that type of group of words is known as the phrases. Dear students, now we will talk about kind of phrases. Now we will talk about kinds of phrase. Dear students, if we talk about kinds of phrase, then first phrase is here noun phrase. Noun phrase is which type of phrase? We can say that does the function of a noun. Which phrase does the function of a noun? That type of phrase is known as noun phrase. Like in this sentence, they want to go home. As in this sentence, we can say that to go home. Here, in this phrase, its work as a noun, like home is noun here, so we can say that it is a noun phrase. After that, adjective phrase does the function of an adjective. If in any sentence any phrase is work as an adjective, then we can say that it is an adjective phrase, like this ring is made of gold. And we can say that made of gold. Here gold is a matter, and we can say that it is an adjective phrase. Because of that, it is known as a adjective phrase. After that, adverb phrase does the function of an adverb. If any phrase does the function of an adverb, then that type of phrase is known as adverb phrase. Like in this sentence, Manan ran with great speed. Then we can see that in this sentence, great speed, here its work as a adverb, and we can say that it is a adverb phrase. And next one, prepositional phrase. Like if any sentence, any adverb phrase is works as like a preposition, or starts the sentence with a preposition or something in a sentence, and middle in a starting point consists with a preposition, then we can say that it is a prepositional phrase. And last one is about verbal phrase. Verbal phrase is mostly consisted with three things, like the gerunds, participles, or infinitive. If from among three one, if any one is there, like if gerund is there, if participle is there, or infinitive is there, then we can say that it is a verbal phrase. Dear students, it's about the kinds of phrases and phrases. Dear students, you know that phrases means a part of a sentence that does not contain a subject or a finite verb. I already explained that things earlier, and now already we discussed about kind of phrases. If anyone asks you about the kind of phrases, then you can say that phrases is about the five types: noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, prepositional phrase, and verbal phrase. Noun phrase means does the function of noun. Adjective phrase means does the function of adjective. Adverb phrase means does the function of an adverb. And prepositional phrase is works like a preposition. And verbal phrase means consisting of any one of three, like gerund, participle, or infinitive. Dear student, this about the phrase. Now we will discuss about clauses. Dear students, now we will discuss about clauses. Clauses. Clauses means a group of words that has a subject and a finite verb of its own and makes complete sense. Dear students, in phrase already we talk about that doesn't have subject and finite verb. But if we talk about clauses, then subject is also there and finite verb is also there, and it is of own only and make complete sense. It gives complete sense, but in phrase that doesn't give any complete sense. So we can say that phrase and clause are too much opposite to each other. Now I'll discuss about example like he is an honest man. This complete group of words is known as one clause sentence. When she opened the door, I saw her. This sentence is about two clause sentence. Sentence may be clause sentence may be one clause sentence, two clause sentence, three clause sentence may be dependent on the nature of sentence. Now we will discuss about the types of clauses. How many types of clauses are there? If we talk about, there are two types of clauses. Like first one is man or independent. Man means man sentence on whichever other clauses are dependent. We can say that man clauses is be known as the independent because it works independently and stand with own subject and verb only. So we can say that independent. If we are going to discuss about man or independent clause, then we can say that in the man or independent sentence or clauses, we can say that there will be a subject, predicate, and complete thought. If you read that type of clauses, then you can watch that subject will be there, predicate will be there, and complete thought is also mentioned in that type of sentence. So we can say that it's about a man or independent clauses. Next one is about subordinate or dependent. We can say that subordinate or dependent are mostly dependent on the man or independent sentences. And it's about noun clauses. If it consists of noun in a clause, then we can say that it's about a noun clause. If any clause is consist with an adjective, then we can say that it's about an adjective clause. And if any clause is consist with the adverb, then we can say that it is about the adverb clause. Here students, we can say that phrase and clause are too much deeper. In phrase there is no subject, no finite verb. But if we talk about clauses, there will be subject also and finite verb is also. And phrase doesn't give any sense or complete sense, but that clauses gives complete sense and we can understand the theme of the sentence, what the sentence want to give to information to us. And that about the types also, like man and independent, and subordinate or dependent, and clause may be one clause sentence, two clause sentence. Yes students, it's about the clauses and phrases. Thank you.